I've been on a quest to find the best pubic hair trimmers for men, and let me tell you, it's a jungle out there. I bought and tested these products so you don't have to waste your hard-earned cash on subpar grooming tools. Here's my honest take on the top 5 that made the cut. Product number 1, Manspot Manscaped Groin and Body Hair Trimmer. Let's dive into the Manspot Manscaped Groin and Body Hair Trimmer, a game changer in the world of personal grooming. When I first laid eyes on this sleek black trimmer, I was curious about its performance, especially given its reputation for being gentle yet effective. The first thing that stood out was its ultra-smooth shaving capability. It boasts anti-cut blades and a high-power motor that really delivers on the promise of a comfortable shave. No more worrying about nicks or burns, which has always been a concern for sensitive areas. I decided to put it to the test in the shower, and I was pleasantly surprised by how well the waterproof feature worked. The trimmer glided effortlessly over my skin, leaving behind a clean look without irritation. One of the highlights is the special care it provides for your precious jewels. The aerospace-grade blades feel safe, and I appreciated the ergonomic design that fits nicely in my hand. I tried all 4 guard lengths, from a close trim to a longer style, and found versatility in my grooming options. It's refreshing to see a product that can cater to different preferences. Plus, the rechargeable battery lasts for about 90 minutes, which means I didn't have to constantly worry about recharging it after every use. On the downside, while the trimmer is fantastic, I wish it came with more guard options for even more customization. Also, it feels a bit bulkier than some competitors, which is something to consider if you prefer a lighter tool. But overall, the Manspot Manscaped trimmer is a solid choice for anyone looking to elevate their grooming routine. Product number 2, Olov Electric Body Hair Trimmer. Is the Olov Electric Body Hair Trimmer a versatile grooming tool designed for men and women alike? From the moment I picked it up, I was struck by how lightweight it felt. Definitely a plus for anyone who's used to heavier trimmers. The gold and black design is sleek and modern, making it a stylish addition to any grooming kit. I was particularly impressed by the soft ceramic blades that promise a tug-free experience. I decided to test it in the shower, and let me tell you, it performed admirably. The waterproof feature allowed me to rinse away the hair effortlessly, which made the cleanup process a breeze. The trimmer comes with 2 adjustable trimming guards, allowing for different hair lengths, which is a fantastic feature for those who prefer various styles. The skin-friendly blades meant I didn't have to worry about irritation or cuts, even in sensitive areas. I also love how easy it is to clean. Just rinse the blades under running water after use. However, I did notice that it struggled a bit with coarser hair, so if you're heavily endowed in that department, you might want to take it slow. Why buy the Olov trimmer? If you are looking for an affordable, reliable, and easy-to-use trimmer that works well for both men and women, this is it. It's great for anyone who wants a quick and efficient grooming tool without breaking the bank. Product number 3, the Manscaped Lawnmower 5.0 Ultra. Let's talk about the Manscaped Lawnmower 5.0 Ultra, a high-end trimmer that boasts dual heads for precision grooming. Right out of the box, you can feel that this is a premium product. The interchangeable skin-safe blades are a game changer, allowing you to switch between trimming and shaving effortlessly. I charged it up and couldn't wait to give it a whirl. The first thing I noticed was how well the dual temp LEDs illuminated the area, making it easy to see what I was doing, even in dim lighting. Using the skin-safe technology was a relief. I felt confident trimming close to sensitive areas without the fear of cuts. It took me about 15 minutes to get a clean shave, and I was pleasantly surprised at how smooth my skin felt afterward. The design is also waterproof, so I used it in the shower, and cleanup was straightforward, just rinse and go. The battery life is impressive too, lasting around 60 minutes on a single charge. However, it does come with a higher price tag, which may not be for everyone. Also, while the travel lock feature is great, I found it slightly cumbersome to activate. So, why buy the Lawnmower 5.0 Ultra? If you're serious about grooming and want a tool that offers versatility and premium features, this trimmer is worth the investment. It's designed for those who want the best when it comes to maintaining their manliness. Product number 4, Manscaped, the Lawnmower 3.0 Plus. We have the Manscaped, the Lawnmower 3.0 Plus, another fantastic offering from the brand. I remember when I first unboxed it, the sleek tuxedo block design immediately caught my eye. It feels sturdy and well built, something I always appreciate in grooming tools. The skin-safe technology is a standout feature here. The ceramic blade is rounded for comfort, which made me feel at ease when using it in sensitive areas. I took it for a spin in the shower and it handled the wet conditions like a champ. The adjustable combs allow for precise trimming from 2 to 12 millimeters, which is great for those who want to experiment with different lengths. I found the LED light incredibly helpful. It illuminated areas I usually miss, ensuring I got a clean trim every time. Another plus is the runtime. Up to 60 minutes on a full charge, so it's perfect for multiple uses without needing a recharge. On the downside, while the trimmer is excellent for most areas, it might not be as effective on very coarse hair, so you might need to go over a spot a few times. Also, it's slightly heavier than other models I've used, but it's manageable. Why buy the Lawnmower 3.0 Plus? This trimmer is perfect for anyone wanting a reliable, easy-to-use device that delivers consistent results. It's a solid investment for those who want to keep their grooming game strong without breaking the bank. Product number 5. Olove Electric Body Hair Trimmer White. I tested the Olove Electric Body Hair Trimmer and its stunning white and rose gold design. This trimmer is not just aesthetically pleasing, but also functional. It's designed for both men and women, making it a versatile addition to anyone's grooming arsenal. The ceramic blades are the real stars here. They glide over your skin without pulling or cutting, offering a comfortable experience. I used it both dry and in the shower, and it performed exceptionally well in both scenarios. The waterproof feature is a massive plus, making cleanup super quick and easy. It comes with 2 adjustable trimming guards, allowing you to choose your desired length. I found these guards to be very effective, and I loved being able to customize my grooming routine. The battery life is decent too, though I noticed it could use a bit more runtime for those who like to take their time. So why buy the Olove trimmer? If you want a reliable, stylish, and affordable grooming tool, this is it. It's perfect for anyone who wants an efficient trimmer that delivers quality without the hefty price tag. So there you have it. My top 5 pubic hair trimmers for men, each with its unique features and advantages. Whether you prioritize comfort, versatility, or style, I hope this guide helps you find the perfect grooming companion. Happy trimming!